Enabling biometric login on your Telcel 2026 device is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to set it up quickly and easily. Step 1. Access Settings. Open the Settings app on your Telcel 2026 device. You can find the Settings icon in your app drawer or on your home screen. Step 2. Navigate to Security. Scroll down and select the Security option from the list of settings. This section contains all the options related to device security. Step 3. Select Biometric Data. In the Security menu, look for Biometric Data or Biometrics and tap on it. This will lead you to the options for setting up fingerprint or facial recognition. Step 4. Add your biometric data. Choose the type of biometric login you want to enable, such as fingerprint or face recognition. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your fingerprint or face until it is successfully registered. Step 5. Enable biometric login. Once your biometric data is added, go back to the security settings and find the option to enable biometric login for apps or device unlocking. Toggle the switch to activate it. Now you can enjoy the convenience of biometric login on your Telcel 2026 device. This feature enhances security while making it easier to access your phone.